Hi everyone, this is Cyber here. I'm here today to bring you a new video. This video is me doing a review of Squaretrade's repair system. I bought a PS5 on launch and I got the extra protection just in case anything happens at all. As you see, my controller is sitting here. This is the one that came with the system. It started drifting, so I got in contact with them. After I contacted Sony, they did help a little bit, but it started to get worse and worse. So I decided to send it through the Squaretrade and get it fixed. So my right joystick was drifting, pulling the map out on Horizon. So what this video is going to be is me testing it out, see if they actually repaired it or if they gave me a new controller, what exactly they did, and tell them what I thought, how the system did. Didn't take long to get it back. I set it on, I believe, like last week, and today is Thursday, so I got it back in less than a week. That's pretty good, fast service, especially traveling all the way from California to where I am, all the way across on the east side of the world, United States. So without further ado, let's get into it. I'm gonna take it out. It looks like my controller. I'm not sure. I can't remember all the marks. Let me get that out of here. And I'll flip the controller over. I take care of my controllers and that kind of stuff. But as you see, I do have some marks like from me just using it and that kind of stuff. So I think it's the same controllers. It feels the same. That one feels a little stiffer. So let's test this out and see what it's like. Let's see if it actually connects to my system or if it won't. It does. It popped it on. I don't know if you guys heard it, but I'm gonna pull this camera up so you can see. I'm gonna go like that, and then I'm gonna pull my capture card up. Oh, that's the wrong one. Okay, so the system's on. We're gonna click again. Let me actually move this down here so you can actually see stuff better. Go on Horizon, because that's the game I noticed it the most because I was playing it. I did buy another controller. I actually bought the black version of a controller because I was getting the coverage for the black, which I did. So it looks really good. I'll probably still use that controller. This is just a backup controller in case anything goes wrong with that one. All right. Click X. And we're gonna go to the map and see if anything happens once we load in. And then we'll talk about my thoughts and tell you exactly what they did to it. This is not like the usually videos I do. I hope it comes out good. I think the video will be fine because I did get a new camera. This could be this camera I'm using right now. It could be for a little project I have coming out. Say a couple weeks. So without further ado, let's I'll pause the menu, and it's a little stiff. I will say that. A little stiffer than I like, but it works. It does work. It's not zooming out. Like when I be zoom in, it would do this. And I'd be like, no, I need you to go forward. And it would always fight with me for a little bit. So it looks like that. Let's tap like this. It is a little stiffer than I like, but it'll loosen up probably over time. All right. So let's talk about my feelings on their offense. I'm just gonna pause it so I don't get attacked or anything. So what they did is I sent it to them, told them what the problem was. The problem was the right joystick. It's drifting. That's what I told them. They said device repaired, parts repaired or replaced right analog, passed all function test, clean unit, Please charge before use. Well, I didn't charge it, but that's fine. There might be an update for it, maybe. That might help. Accessory received. 1 collateral. My repair technician was JT, and he did it on 3/1, and it is 3/3. So 2 days it took to ship it. So it says we do everything we can make sure the item is working perfectly. For any issues concerning your claim, blah blah blah. I think Squaretrade did really well. It is a little tight, but it's a new joystick, so it'll probably take a little time to get used to it. I think they did a good job. They did follow what they proceeded. Now, getting it at first, I wasn't sure how to send the controller because it was for the system, but they're like, oh, we don't do controllers and that kind of stuff. I was like, but it's part of the system. I need it with the system. If I don't have a controller, I can't play. And I said it came with it. And then he talked to a supervisor. He's like, yeah, if it came with the system, then it's under the protection. I said, yes, it's a white version that came with the system. I'm not sending you any other color or any other controller. Sending you the one that came with the system. So I sent it, and took like 2 days to ship to them and 2 days back. So they had like two days to fix it. They did it within the week. That's I think that's pretty good. Didn't cost me any money. I just had to go to a FedEx to drop it off, and FedEx dropped it off here. Someone had to sign for it, which is great, and they actually had someone sign for it, so it's really good. I think they did an outstanding job. I've heard other people have issues with Squaretrade and that kind of stuff, but pretty much if you're willing to wait and that kind of stuff, like if I would have been out of controller, I would have been a little more upset, but I was still able to play because I bought another controller. But I thought they were just going to send me a new controller. I didn't actually think they were going to repair it. I'm surprised, actually. So I hope you guys somewhat enjoyed this video. So if you guys ever have to get Squaretrade, based on my experience, they did a good job. They did it in a reasonable time, and yeah, it's totally worth the money. Especially for system. I know a lot of people go, oh, well, you're not Sony. My year of Sony is over. My controller lasted about a little over a year. And yeah, I'll probably extend my protection through someone else because anything can happen to the system, anything can happen, anything, and it's not cheap. This is a $500 system. So I know a lot of people are like, well, I don't buy them things. They never come in handy. It only takes one time to come in handy. Now, if it's something cheap, like $50 or less, then I might not worry about it. But a system, a computer, like a whole computer, not just like the parts in the computer, that kind of stuff. I don't recommend that kind of stuff because the manufacturer is usually pretty good with that. But like anything that's real expensive, usually I recommend protection. Like computer screens, anything could happen. Power surge, that's usually a big thing that happens to someone. Now, you can have it on the power strip, but they can still get through that no matter how strong it is. Now, the power strip I have is very good. They have warranty for the lifetime of it. Anything gets broken or electrocuted while it's in that, attached to that, they will replace it up to, I believe, $100,000. So I have my monitor, my computer on there. I pretty much have anything that's a specimen. My system's on there. So if it gets fried, they'll cover. And then I also have backup protection in case this just, for some reason, they don't cover it. I try to cover all my bases. I'm willing to spend the extra money. So yeah, I'm not trying to get you to buy Squaretrade or anything like that, but I highly recommend it because it's just, it's, yeah, like sometimes it can be super expensive, but this wasn't really expensive. This is like, I think it was like $50. And for $500, that's not bad. And I had it for 2 years, I think, which I will be extending it. And I don't remember how much it is to extend it for certain companies or something. Certain places do, like if you already own it, you can protect it as long as it's not broken. So yeah, I don't want to keep rambling on, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you leave a like if you did, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Attention viewer, If you enjoyed that video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe.